Hi guys, the update is here na and we are here in the Grow a Garden server. As you can see, while waiting for the update, is like natin yung mga garden na dito sa server na to. And as you can see, we are here in public server because the private server is not guys, hindi siya gumagana yung private server ngayon. As you can see, I am liking what I am yan yung madadaanan kong garden. I will pass by. So as you can see, there is a stock of cosmetics. And medyo nag-iba na rin yung kanyang guys, pwesto. Ang gear shop andito na sa middle dito. And as you can see guys, there is merong mga stocking. And as you can see, while waiting guys, dito naman, I hope this garden na medyo mag-expand and nandito nga tayo guys, 16.1 million players na already on record almost also. Ayun. And dito nga banda guys is I think mawawala na to dito, so we will be cleaning this para sigurado lang talaga guys. So parang I think hindi na tayo makakapag-craft ng Uy, sabi ng owner, should I stock a master sprinkler? I've never used this command. Haha. Yes, of course, guys. Sino ba naman hindi gusto ng master sprinkler? Gustong gusto namin yan. Sabi niya, let me try. Sige, puntahan natin doon sa gear shop. Dito sa gear shop pala. So, as you can see, guys, dito tayo. Let's talk about this. Show me your gear. So, ayun, here is the moment of the truth, wala. And bibigyan na lang muna natin to guys lahat. And while waiting for the restocking of master, and here it is, meron na nga master sprinkler was stock on the website. Here it is guys, nag-stock na siya. Yes, of course nag-stock na siya guys. So sabi ng owner guys, punta tayo dito sa seed shop and okay, let's pray. Sabi niya that this doesn't end us all. So I know anong mangyayari sa atin guys dito sa ano na to. Oy, ano yan? It's a running tawag yan, hindi ko alam ang tawag yan, basta parang lumilipad yung world daw guys. Tapos yan, tingnan nyo parang may bato-bato dyan. Tapos puntahan natin dito na side guys. As you can see, talagang parang lumilipad tayo in another universe guys. And as you can see guys, andito na nga tayo guys sa todo update and todo spoiled na nga yung owner na ito na si Jandal. So as you can see guys, pupuntahan natin dito banda guys sa taas. Dito banda. Yes. Of course, tingnan natin kung gaano kalawak. Ayun guys, grabe talaga guys, super lawak. And as kasi dito tayo sa dulo ng na to guys, tawag nito hindi ko alam tawag nito, basta yung gumandar pag nandun ka sa space. So yeah, and here it is, gagana to, tingnan nyo, gagana to guys. 3, 2, 1. Yes, so wala pang nangyayari, pero gagana to guys pag tingnan nyo yung gumana siya guys, pero hindi siya nag-move. That's okay. Punta tayo sa garden natin. Malapit pa tayong mahulog dun na. Hey, another blessful event. Soundtrack event pala. Ito naman si Gigi. Basta Gigi po yung pangalan na tinatawag dito. And kasi medyo off naman yan sa niya skin yan guys. And then kami sumasaya kami guys. At kasi medyo gandaan na kaka-enjoy ko dito po. At tulog na yung mga ibang players dito guys. Tulog na and here it is guys, nag-restock na naman ang master sprinkler. Tingnan nga natin dito. As you can see, kakausapin na naman natin siya guys. And as the moment of the truth is okay guys, ayun, master sprinkler. Okay guys, nag-restock ang mushroom, saka paper, rinistock ni at saka kakao, nag-restock si Jandel ng kakao guys, the owner of this game, oh my gosh. Ember Lily, beanstalk, kakao again, then again guys, yun, kakao, pepper, hanggang batas yan, mushroom, grape seed, dragon fruit seed, mango, yung dragon fruit na siya guys, dragon fruit, tapos cactus, cactus yan men, cactus yan, tama ba? Cactus yan, yung cactus, tapos coconut, yes, coconut, mag-restock pa. And coconut, ano, nagbalik siya sa ember lily, babalik na naman yan guys. Yun sa ember lily guys, ayun, think that is. And also guys, super OP ng mga restocking ngayon, and hopefully this bamboo sa coconut seed na restock dito guys. Okay, this guys, another soundtrack and dancing dito guys, and here it is, sabi niya, million OP of course guys, about this about the community has done it again. Yes, I'm very happy na 20 million players na naglalaro ng game dyan guys. As you can see, lahat kami dito sa server and nag-enjoy at nag-celebrate. Pero, tatlo lang kami dito sa server ng stock is kinda mid, let me stock something mid OP. Kiwi was restock. Oh my gosh guys. Ano ba to? Yes, it is. Tingnan nyo naman guys, meron na namang malapit na animation si Jandel. Summer stock now available. Ayun, sabi naman niya, talaga niya out of stock. Grabe guys. Ayun, tumakbo na yun si Sam. Ayun, naligo po siya sa beach guys. Tignan niyo guys. Grabe, so, sobrang malupit ang ligo yan. Ayun, bumalik na naman siya dito guys. So ayun, nag-restock daw yung kiwi. Tignan natin sa taas at ayun eh. Prickly pear. Ano kaya prickly pear yan? So yun yung kiwi guys. Ayan, nag-restock na yung kiwi. As you can see, merong isang stocking guys. And nakakabili na tayo dito. And the moment of the truth, meron ding Fuji seed, lokyat, and sugar. Meron pang sugar apple dito. Yung inalis is ember lily. Saka yung coconut, inalis na yun lahat. Kaya pala pinag-restock lahat kasi mawawala na guys. So as you can see, yung update na to is medyo magandaan, medyo epic siya guys. No, okay, no more sugar apple. Pero sabi niya, sugar apple was restocked in that food shop. I mean, one more daw. So ito, sugar apple nag-restock na guys. And as you can see, there it is. We have sugar apple again. And that is very OP guys. Sabi, sobrang pag-spoiled na to guys. And there it is. Meron na namang restock. Nag-restock. Ayun. Wala pang restocking. As you can see, there it is. 1 minute na lang guys. Meron pa siyang cauliflower seed na nag-stock guys. Isa lang. So, ayun. Medyo madaming mga bago dito. As you can see, meron tayong green apple. I don't know, but green apple, is that OP pa rin? Pero I think yung rainbow sa baba, yung tawag niyan, yung kasunod ng bili paper guys, medyo maganda rin yan eh. Tingnan nyo nasa taas. May lumulutang-lutang na mga fruits dyan guys. Super ganda and nice. Tignan. And here it is guys, sa panibagong ng summer update. As you can see, there is the summer harvest. And there it is, makikita nyo merong mga nagsilabas ang mga pets dyan. I mean, egg, bagong egg. Yun sa summer egg, meron ding bee egg, tapos yung night egg, and more pa. And as you can see, there it is, super OP ng mga ibibigay siguro dito. And dito guys, tinitesting natin, sabi niya, that's not a summer plant. I know. And hopefully guys, kung nakaabot ko pa naman sa video na to, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, we will be hitting the 800 subscribers this month or maybe at the end of next month. As you can see guys, meron pang mga nagre-restock dito, pero hindi ko siya nagre-restock lahat. So, dito ko lang siguro tatapusin ang video na to, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment or suggestion guys. Bye, thank you.